Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, certified trainer from Impact Organization and certified data scientist from Triple IT Bangalore. Today we will discuss about business intelligence tools and market for 2022-25.
Top Best Data Analytics and B Platforms Tools List in 2020 Source, Bernard Mayer Contributor. SAS Viya. SAS continues to offer one of the world's most popular B platforms. Trusted by thousands of companies worldwide, SAS has built out its visualization capabilities with the release of the Visual Analytics component and worked to enhance its automation capabilities. It's designed to let users keep their entire analytics workflow on one unified platform. Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle, the original king of the hill when it comes to databases, has in recent years revamped and relaunched its product and service offerings to fit with the cloud and AI era. Its natural language capabilities are among the most sophisticated in the field, accepting queries in more than 28 languages, more than any other platform. Oracle Analytics Cloud. Oracle is also pushing hard on the concept of an autonomous database. This means using machine learning algorithms to carry out many of the functions that would previously have required organizations to employ an expensive human database administrator to carry out. This includes data management, security updates, and performance tuning. Talend. Talend is another very popular platform that has increased its automation capabilities in line with current trends towards machine learning and smart computing. It carries out automated data quality and compliance operations in the background to provide its users with faster access to better quality insights. Talend. It is also open source, meaning there's a strong community of users to learn from and work with, and it's simple to find example tools and templates for just about any job you might need to do. Apache Spark. Spark is a mature open-source platform that has been around for 6 years and has become incredibly popular during that time. That means there is a rich ecosystem of extensions and plugins, making it up to just about any enterprise analytics task, such as its ML machine learning library. Apache Spark. It also has a huge community of users and vendors offering support and assistance, so its applications are adaptable to workforces of differing levels of IT skill, and as you would expect it integrates easily with other Apache projects such as Hadoop. IBM Cognos Analytics. Cognos puts AI at the forefront of IBM's own end-to-end analytics solution, enabling users to ask and receive answers to their queries in natural language. This means that rather than simply giving you graphs and charts to look at, it can explain what each one means, and point you towards the insights it thinks you should be getting. IBM Cognos Analytics. It also uses a high level of automation for its data cleansing and preparation functions, meaning the AI will automatically spot and clean up bad data, remove duplicate information, or highlight areas where something is missing. IBM Cognos Analytics. As with Microsoft's solution, it can be run entirely in the cloud or installed locally on premises, depending on your needs and the requirements of the data you're working with. ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is another comprehensive analytics suite that lets you query datasets in natural language and emphasizes a friendly, pick-up-and-play approach to analytics. It incorporates UI features that will be familiar to anyone who is used to social media, such as autonomously curate feeds providing real-time insights into what is going on with your data. ThoughtSpot. This was a great move as social networks have evolved to become extremely efficient at generating user engagement, and adapting their innovation to fit an analytics platform has proven to be a winning formula. ThoughtSpot. Its AI-powered assistant, SpotQ, uses machine learning to understand what a user is thinking and make suggestions, pointing out insights that may have been overlooked or suggesting alternative methods.